Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Britonia, there lived a young sparrow named Pip. Unlike the other birds in the city who spent their days scavenging for food, Pip dreamt of soaring high above the skyscrapers and touching the clouds. Every evening, Pip would perch atop a lamppost and watch as airplanes streaked across the sky, their lights twinkling like stars. He longed to join them, to experience the exhilarating freedom of flight. But whenever Pip mentioned his dreams to the other sparrows, they would scoff and tell him to stick to what he knew best, scavenging for crumbs in the city streets. One day, while perched on his favorite lamppost, Pip spotted a poster fluttering in the breeze. It advertised an upcoming airshow, where birds of all kinds were invited to showcase their flying skills. Excitedly, Pip decided to enter the competition, despite the doubts of his fellow sparrows. He spent every spare moment practicing his aerial maneuvers, determined to prove that he was destined for more than just scavenging. As the day of the airshow arrived, Pip felt a flutter of nerves in his stomach. But as he watched the other birds take to the sky, his determination only grew stronger. When it was finally his turn to fly, Pip spread his wings and launched himself into the air. He performed loop-de-loops and barrel rolls, weaving gracefully through the clouds with the skill of a seasoned aviator. The crowd below erupted into cheers and applause, amazed by Pip's daring stunts and unwavering confidence. And as Pip soared higher and higher, he realized that he had finally found his true calling, to inspire others to chase their dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. From that day forward, Pip became known as the bravest sparrow in all of Britonia, a symbol of hope and determination for birds everywhere. And though his journey had been filled with challenges and obstacles, Pip knew that as long as he followed his heart, the sky would always be within reach.